are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. We can relate, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of win-win o'clock, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me say Sassy, Sassy. And for the boys, let's cheer for Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.
Robbie.
Let's go.
Robbie.
Here's Rocky on his first ball. Followed only by Sassy. Another one for Rocky. And it's not live. And for the last ball, Rocky wins.
Robbie win.
What do you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. We won another race. They won another race here, Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point, so girls, let's show longer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky's first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Oh, and it's happening. The ring got the 3 rings in the same line. And the winner is Sassy. Fireworks, let me say about that. 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true. That girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky Trainer Shell and Trainer Mark. Farmers are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's right. We will each of them has their skills and active work. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting shape back to
Pintar
the
ka,
floor
burung
and
ka.
walk. Just like Sassy graduate McCoys from South America, they are known to be the dental giants of the parrot family. This is because they are the second largest next to the high-speed McCoys. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their river bank. There you go, that's right. Roll on for Sassy to bring your shell. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows the addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will be most people baffled in a case, even us trainers. Beauty birds can do math. But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 and 15. And numbers between 1 and 15. Okay, so first number is number 3. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number is number 10. So the equation is 3 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But for his trainer Mark, we'll shuffle the numbers. And now let's go to hybrid number Rocky. Wow,
Okay.
look at that. What a beautiful entrance. Trainer Mark is already. Go Rocky so vibration for us. Everyone gets the first number correct. Let's
Hey.
talk about the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, it's calculating. Come on, Rocky, let's do it.
Tigo beli.
Knows the answer.
Tigo. Ah.
Number 3. So, Rico, equals to 13. A round of applause for Rocky and Trainer Mark. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila. the ocean part. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized for their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our moving eagle owl, here goes Swap!
Good.
These birds are non-common. Some are related to the forest and continents in the wind. And now, let us all welcome our Brahminicae, here comes Shadow. These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. They are locally known as Lawin or Banlaw in the Visayas region. And now let's all welcome our chickens. Wow, look at that!
Chicken eh.
And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an eating homing only. They will generally return to its nest and mate. Our Rama for raptors, chickens, and our homing pigeons.
Pigeon. Ayam natin ito.
Here is an ocean part, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but we're also who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and dress cycle. Very good. So here's Rocky once again, and he will show us the proper ways to dispose of. See, therefore the words to do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope we enjoyed the show. Our first spectacular. Well, we're only able to possible the efforts. Let's take after and receiving them from next week. Please let's all forward and see the world because we're now. This love and great. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made the show possible. Trainer April with Shadow. Trainer Rochelle with Hope. Trainer Mark with Rocky. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please submit your receipt because we will have a line show. And please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Flash po sa cellphone. Grabe flash po ng cellphone ha, pakiyaw na lang po. Flashlight po ng cellphone, nasa
Foto. Dapat na foto. Oo.